Wagwan, Medea. I am Kharim. Welcome to my world, and this is Shaq. We are going to do the whisper challenge for my YouTube channel, and right now, you know how the whisper challenge go. He's going to be listening a song through the headphone, and me I go try to say something to him, and he must try guess what me I say.
Yeah.
What you say? You ready?
Ready, man. Anytime ready. Yeah, man, ready.
Go and beat your tune where you want to listen to.
Alright, sir. Alright.
You feed the dog from morning.
You finger the dog from morning.
You feed the dog from morning.
You feel the hog from morning.
You feed the dog from morning.
You feel the dog from morning.
Feed.
Feel.
Feed.
Feel.
Feed. You feed the dog from morning.
You feed the dog from morning.
Yes.
Oh. Is Junior a batty man?
Is
Junior a batty man?
Is Junior a batty man?
I say no say true now. I say no say true now.
I saw me go.
I say no say true now. Yeah, man. First guess. Alright.
You did find the old shoes.
You did touch the girl boobs.
You did find the old shoes.
You did fight the old boot.
You did find the old shoes.
You did ride the old. You did ride the old tune.
You did find the old shoes.
You did find the old shoes.
Yes.
Oh. You brush your teeth from morning.
You drink your tea from morning.
Yes, sir. You brush your teeth from morning.
You cut the tree from morning.
You brush your teeth from morning.
You brush your teeth from morning.
Yeah, man.
The ackee and saltfish did nice.
The dog do right.
The ackee and saltfish did nice.
The potty no inna the ice.
The ackee and saltfish did nice.
The ackee with saltfish did right.
The ackee and saltfish did nice.
The ackee and saltfish did nice.
Yeah.
Oh, you did call back the girl last night.
What?
You did call back the girl last night.
Go again.
You did call back the girl last night.
You haul off the shirt last night.
No, sir, we sure. Well, probably I can go and see. You did haul off. You did call the girl last night.
You called the girl last night.
Yeah, man. You're good, man. You're good.
Which color the weed did be?
Go ahead.
Which color the weed did be?
Which floor the wheel did be?
Which color the weed did be?
Which flower you need to be?
Which color the weed did be?
Which color the weed did see?
Which color the weed did be?
Which color the weed the big?
Which color the weed did be?
Which color the weed did be?
Yeah.
Oh!
Yes.
You ever daydream about a girl yet?
You ever date one Lamborghini girl yet?
You ever daydream about a girl yet?
You ever date one brown girl yet?
You ever daydream about a girl yet?
Go again.
You ever daydream about a girl yet? Yeah, man, that when I stuck him in
You ever
yeah, you find the technique. No, just use big words here. You can't get them, man. You ever daydream about a girl yet?
You ever daydream about a girl yet?
Yeah, man. Alright, sir.
But sure, you say you ever date a Lamborghini girl yet?
Good man, date one right now, but so far I'm not seeing them yet.
Michelle Obama or Nicki Minaj?
Go on again.
Michelle Obama or Nicki Minaj?
Michelle, the party, or what?
Michelle Obama or Nicki Minaj?
Michelle Obama. Go on again.
Michelle Obama or Nicki Minaj?
Michelle Obama or Nicki Minaj.
Yeah.
You tie out the goat them this morning. You tie out the goat them this morning.
You tie out the goat them this morning.
Yeah man, yeah man, yeah man, yeah man. Yeah.
Niggas asking me the code for the Wi-Fi.
She asking me to see my die.
Niggas asking me for the code. Niggas asking me about the code for the Wi-Fi.
She asking me why I said why bye.
Niggas asking me about the code for the Wi-Fi.
She asking me the code for the Wi-Fi.
Niggas asking me the code for the Wi-Fi.
She asking me the code why.
Niggas asking me about the code for the Wi-Fi.
Niggas asking me the code for the Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
What underneath your bed? What underneath your bed?
What underneath the bed?
What underneath your bed?
Go again.
What underneath your bed?
Walk underneath.
What underneath your bed?
What underneath
Your bed.
your belly?
What underneath your bed?
What underneath your belt?
What underneath your bed?
What underneath your Go again.
What underneath your bed?
What underneath your bed? The rice and peas did shot.
You're right, one ticket the shot.
The rice and peas did shot.
The right B did shot.
The rice and peas did shot.
The right B the fat.
The rice and peas.
The right B.
The rice.
Right.
Rice.
Right.
Rice.
Ripe.
The rice.
Rice.
The rice and peas did
Right
shot.
and peas.
The rice and peas
Rice and peas.
did shot.
Shell.
The rice and peas did shot.
The rice and peas did shot. You
Yeah.
ever eat a chicken patty?
You ever eat Scotch bonnet pepper yet?
You ever eat chicken patty?
Huh?
You ever eat chicken patty?
You ever eat chicken body?
Yeah man, yeah man.
You wash out the dirty socks them.
You watch the ride through them.
You wash out the dirty socks them.
You watch the ride through them.
You wash out
You wash out
the dirty socks them.
the dirty trash them.
You wash out the dirty socks them.
You wash out the dirty pot them.
You wash out the dirty socks them.
You wash out the dirty box them.
Socks.
Shot.
Socks.
Tat.
You wash out the dirty top them. You wash out the dirty socks them.
You wash out the dirty box yet.
You wash out the dirty socks yet.
You wash out the dirty socks yet.
Yeah.
You could ask her to say one again.
You wash out the dirty top them.
That's your thing.
Yo.
That's your thing. Got that to say. That girl is supposed to message me. Who you calling that?
Who you calling that? Anyway, guys, if you watched the video up to this point, thanks for watching, and we're gonna do some more challenges soon. Peace out and see you soon. Remember to subscribe though, you know. You see it. Shaq gonna start my YouTube channel soon, so
So check
whenever me feature him again, I'm supposed to have up some videos on him channel, so you just go check him out, zine.
Yeah.
Anyways, thanks again, subscribe, and please watch.